Welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video I'm going to solve a problem from trigonometric ratios and identities of 11th class. The question is, if cos A equal to 3 by 4, then find the value of 32 sin A by 2 sin 5 A by 2. Okay, so 32 sin of A by 2 sin of 5A by 2 is given. So this how we can write? We can write this as 16 into 2 sin A by 2 sin 5A by 2, right? So we have a formula 2 sin A sin B is equals to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, right? Here I am taking A equals to A by 2, B is equals to 5A by 2, okay, which implies 16 into cos of A minus B, that is A by 2 minus 5A by 2 minus cos of A by 2 plus 5A by 2, which implies 16 into cos, what you will get here, A minus 5A by 2, A minus 5A is minus 4A by 2 minus cos 6A by 2, which implies 16 into this in 4 2, this in 6 3 times. So you will get cos of minus theta, you will get cos of minus theta is always cos theta, okay, cos of minus theta is always cos theta. So cos of 2a minus cos 3a, here formulas are there for these two terms. What are that? Cos 2a equals to 2 cos square a minus 1, right? And one more, cos 3a is equals to what you will have, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. These are the two formulas, okay. In separate, if you want, in separate videos I'll put the proof for these two also, right? If you want, if anyone want this proof how this we got, if you want, specify that in the comment section. I'll make it a separate video for this, okay. So these two are the formulas we have for these two terms. So let us substitute that formulas in this step, which is equals to 16 into cos 2a is nothing but 2 cos square a minus 1 minus of 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, which implies 16 into 2 cos square a minus 1 minus 4 cos cube a plus 3 cos a. Now substitute cos a equals to 3 by 4, which implies 16 into 2 into cos square is nothing but 3 by 4 square, means 9 by 16 minus 1 minus 4 into cube, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64 plus 3 into 3 by 4, which implies 16 into 2 in 16 8 times, 4 in 64 16 times. So what we have left here, 9 by 8 minus 1 minus 27 by 16 plus 3 3 is a 9 by 4, which implies 16 into, for these numbers we will have 16 LCM. So 2 times 9 2s are 18 minus here 16 you will get minus 27 plus 9 4s 36. These two 16s cancel. What we have? 18 minus 16 minus 27 plus 36. This is equals to 18 minus 16 is 2. minus 27 plus 36, which is equals to minus 25 plus 36, which is equals to 11. Therefore 32 sin a by 2 sin 5a by 2 is equals to 11. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section. If you want these proofs, explanation and all, you specify that in the comment section. If you want, I'll make a video for it also. Okay, if you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.